In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Creatify AI tool that has become one of the more talked about tools for AI-generated video ads, UGC-style content, and automated marketing creatives. Creatify AI positions itself as a way to quickly create professional-looking video ads from product URLs, scripts, or simple prompts without needing a traditional studio setup, actors, or video editors. Whether you're running a small e-commerce brand, creating content for social media, or testing ad variations at scale, Creatify claims it can dramatically speed up the process and reduce costs compared to traditional video creation workflows. I spent time examining both the features it offers and real user feedback so I can give you a balanced look at what this tool can and can't do. One thing you'll notice right away about Creatify AI is how straightforward the basic workflow is. You can start with a product link or script, choose templates, pick AI avatars, add voiceovers, and then generate videos in multiple aspect ratios, like 9:16 for TikTok and Reels or 16:9 for YouTube and wider placements. The idea is that you don't need to know a lot about editing software or hire people to film content. The AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. Many users find this appealing because it lowers the barrier to producing video creatives and helps scale ad variations quickly. Some marketers have even reported that the platform's ability to spin out dozens of UGC-style videos helps them test creatives fast and iterate without external resources. Creatify also offers a range of pricing plans, from a free plan with limited credits to paid starter, pro, and enterprise tiers. Each level increases credits, unlocks more avatars and features like batch generation, premium stock footage, and extended video duration, and allows exports without watermark. This credit-based system means your monthly allowance determines how many videos you can make, which is fine if you're planning creatively, but heavier users might burn through credits quickly, especially if you're experimenting with variations and styles. Where Creatify AI excels for many users is in speed and ease of use. The platform's intuitive interface makes it possible to generate basic ad content fast. And in numerous reviews, people highlight that even non-technical users can get professional-looking results once they understand the tools. The AI avatars, script generation, and multilingual voiceovers are valuable for global campaigns or for testing how different scripts perform in different markets. Customers praise how easy it is to bring a concept to life without a production crew or heavy editing. That said, Creatify isn't without its drawbacks, and the feedback online shows a very mixed experience for users. Some people report issues with reliability, such as long rendering times, errors that consume credits without successful output, or videos that feel generic and need extra editing to reach a polished level. There are also consistent complaints about billing and subscription practices. Several users say they were charged even after canceling or face confusing pricing and refund situations. Others call out inconsistent avatar lip sync and unrealistic motions, which can take away from the professional feel you're aiming for in a high-quality ad. Customer service reviews are mixed as well. Some users praise responsive and helpful support that resolved issues quickly, while others say responses were slow or unhelpful when they ran into problems. This kind of variation is common with fast-growing SaaS platforms, but it's something worth keeping in mind if you expect consistent support for business-critical workflows. Overall, Creatify AI is a promising tool for content creators and marketers who want a fast way to generate video ads and UGC-style content without much technical effort. It can save time and help scale creative testing, but you should be aware that output quality, billing practices, and support experiences vary widely among users. Whether it becomes a core part of your workflow may depend on how much editing and refinement you need beyond the AI's automated results. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Creatify AI or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.